Alright friends, welcome back to yet another video. This time we have another set of shoes from one of my favorite brands. I'm talking about, of course, of Soulsfeng. Soulsfeng, thank you so much for sending me these shoes to check out. I'm really excited. Let's open this baby up. Here we go. Alright friends, we got another set of boots, this time snow boots. They're white. I love white shoes. As usual, let's inspect the box. We have a front view right here. We got their logo and their slogan, do whatever you can do. We got the front. They're a brand that launched in 2017. The back has the name, QR code, and information from their New York location. Bottom is blank. Side has the size and barcode, the website. Other side has the little loop to hang the shoes from. Let's open this awesome package. Inside we find some cloth bag for each boot. This is the first time I see this. It's pretty nice. The bag itself is fabric material and it has their logo printed. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. Let's see the other one. Cool. Okay. Let me zoom out a little bit. This is great. Oh, I love the smell. Okay, let's start with the bottom portion. One of the things that I do to make sure the shoe is good quality, check the very bottom. Make sure it's anti-slippery, make sure it's not a sole that is just gonna be dangerous to walk on. You always want a very safe shoe. This is great material, I like it. Now, you can see the difference between this and this. This is the anti-slippery portion. This one, not so much. This is more to keep it clean. I think this is the weather-resistant part. Then you have a leather-like. I don't think this is pure leather. I don't think at all. It's more of a mix or water-resistant. The one in the back, I think that one might be even. I would say it's more of a leather. We got the logo in the back. Soulsfeng. The laces, they're really cool. I like the matching aesthetics of it from top to bottom. It looks really nice, and the build quality feels nice. Even the zipper is good quality. It's gonna last for sure. We got the logo over here. We got the information of the size on the side in here. The sole itself feels comfy. I don't think it's like memory foam. It does have a layer of foam, but I don't think it's memory foam. But it doesn't feel uncomfortable. I like the look of it. It looks really great. So one side you have the leather loops, and then the other side is the metal hooks. I'm not sure what is those two holes for. I have no idea. It could be for a charm, maybe. If you know, please let me know in the comments down below. There should be a reason for these two little holes right here. And that's the frontal view. It looks pretty nice. That's the back. Yeah, I dig it. I think they look amazing. And the fact they come with their own little carrying bag, I think it's pretty cool. Soulsfeng, if you're gonna watch this video, please include this in every single shoe. Well, that's it. I just wanted to show you what they look like, what's in the box. I love it. I really like it. I really dig it. I'll be photographing these shoes for their website and Amazon store, so be on the lookout for those. I have, like I mentioned before, I have a lot of shoes from them and I love every single one of them. So thank you guys. Thank you Soulsfeng, and if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Javier Morales. I'll catch you guys in the next one.